Welcome to your future dream home. I'm thrilled to guide you through this stunningly transformed 1939 Colonial home, where classic charm meets modern convenience. The current owners have truly outdone themselves, renovating every inch of this two-bedroom home to bring it up to 2024 standards. Let's start with the exterior. The first thing you'll notice is the abundance of natural light streaming through the brand new windows, giving the house a bright and welcoming ambience. The removal of overgrown trees has not only enhanced the curb appeal but also expanded the outdoor space, perfect for gardening, entertaining, or simply enjoying the fresh air. As we step inside, you'll immediately appreciate the fresh sheetrock, paint, and contemporary lighting fixtures that adorn the entire home. The open and airy layout of the living areas is inviting and functional, making it an ideal space for both relaxation and entertainment. The first floor has seen some of the most significant upgrades. One of the most convenient changes is the relocation of the laundry area from the basement to the main floor, now featuring a high-end, brand-new washer and dryer set. No more lugging laundry up and down stairs. Additionally, the first floor now boasts a stylish new half-bathroom, adding a layer of comfort and practicality to your daily routine. Moving into the heart of the home, the kitchen is a chef's delight. It's been fully updated with high-end, brand-new appliances, making meal preparation not just easy, but enjoyable. Whether you're a seasoned cook or just love to entertain, this kitchen will surely meet all your needs. The two bedrooms upstairs continue the theme of modern elegance, offering tranquil retreats with ample natural light and space. Each room is designed to provide comfort and serenity after a long day. In the basement, you'll find it has been meticulously cleared out and now houses a new hybrid water heater, ensuring energy efficiency and reliable hot water for your home. At the incredible price of $139,000 by the time of recording this video, this home is not just a place to live, it's a lifestyle upgrade. Don't miss out on the chance to own this beautifully renovated colonial home. It won't be on the market for long, so act fast and make it yours today. If you would like to know more about this home and it's still available, please click on the link in the description under Property Link.